In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Passat key fob. There is one quick note here. There are two devices that look almost exactly the same as this one, but actually have different processes for opening them up and changing the battery. So if you have the indicator light up in the top right-hand corner, you can follow along with this video. And if the indicator light is down here in the middle on the right-hand side, you can check the link in the description. We have a video for that one as well. It'll be right down there in the description. And if you have it up here in the top right, it doesn't matter if you have 3 buttons or 4 buttons, it's all the same. So all you'll need to get this process done is just one CR2032 battery. And these are pretty cheap. You can get them on Amazon. There will also be a link in the description to check these out on Amazon for a great price. So go check that out if you are interested. And then opening the device up is actually very easy. Just to flip out the internal key, and we'll be removing this back section of plastic just by pushing up on this lip on the inside of where the key just was. So hold up on the top because this part will not be moving, and just push on that lip and the back will come off. And if that is difficult for you, you can take a large coin, like a quarter, and you can insert it in that area and just twist, and that'll give you some better leverage and make it easier for you. So from here, you just want to look up where the top of the device is. You can see on the battery there are 2 tabs right there. If you just apply a little pressure on the battery right where those tabs are, it'll come free and you can remove your old battery. When you're putting in your new CR2032, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just slide it under those tabs and then snap down the other side. Make sure that it's sitting in there securely before putting the back section back on there. So just line it up and squeeze. And if you want to verify that you did everything correctly, you can make sure that that light is turning on when you press a button. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a comment or give us a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we'll have you covered here on this channel as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.